What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we are in for a random video, guys. This is not anything that I planned out. I just went shopping, picked up quite a bit of things, and felt like I should share with you guys. When I say this is a random video, I mean it. This is a random video. I went to Starbucks, I went to the Home Depot, it's got some plants here to share, went to Saks, I went to the most random places, guys, even a flea market, got some weird stuff here I'm gonna share with you. I went everywhere. So today's video is gonna be a little haul of just random stuff. You name it, I want it, I got it. This is not a luxury video by any means, but I bought some pretty cool stuff I figured I'd share with you guys. So keep on watching. I'm gonna start this video with what I got at Saks because this bag is obnoxious and a little bit too big for what I purchased, so I figured might as well share. And I actually seen these shoes. That's right, I got shoes, guys. These are Steve Madden shoes I seen at the actual Steve Madden store a whiles back. These are black and velvet. They are absolutely beautiful. They had them in my size, which I was shook. These were listed for $12.99. and it says they're normally $69.99. So to me, that is a steal. But I originally seen these for like the full price at the Steve Madden store. I wanted these so bad. And then when I seen them for that $12.99, I cannot resist. So I picked these up at Saks. And this is so random, but they had 𝗴𝗲𝘂 ribbons. I think these were for like their testers of something, but they were $3.99. I got them for 99 cents. So y'all know I'm gonna make a bracelet out of these. I figured these would be cool just to have around, and like I said, maybe make a bracelet out of it, who knows, but for 99 cents, I could not resist getting these, so pick that up as well. Now, I collect these Starbucks travel mugs, and I have so many, but I do not have one for the state that I live in. And guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, but I'm from Pennsylvania. So pick this up today. As you can see, it says the 𝗵𝗫 series. And I probably have maybe like 10 so far. I love these. But I had to get the Pennsylvania one. And I love this because it's green. I don't have any green of the travel mugs. It has so many of the key like symbolic things of Pennsylvania. Love that color green. And yeah, so I had Starbucks points that were expiring and I needed to get something. So there's a cat fight going on, literally. Patches! Cats are crazy, guys. But yeah, my points are expiring, so I figured I'd just pick this up. Why not? So next, I'm gonna dive into what I picked up at the flea market. I was shopping earlier today with my friend Sean, and I wasn't looking for anything in particular, but of course, like I never go to a thrift store or flea market without finding something. Yes, that was chains, you heard, because I got this right here, and you're probably thinking like, what the heck is that contraption? I'm going to hang this from the ceiling and put plants on it. So it's gonna be like a plant shelf. To me, I like this, it's pretty cool. It's organic wood and the chains are a little weathered, which I like that weathered, like raw industrial look. So figured this would be pretty sick. And I stopped at Home Depot. My goal to go to Home Depot was to get just a plant to sit on the shelf. And I already have like tons of pots, but it's got a little pothos here. This is a golden pothos, very basic. And I support small businesses, guys. I love going to small business places, but when it comes to plants, I feel like a lot of like small plant shops charge so freaking much. And I get it, but I mean, this is $3.98. And I feel like whenever I go to like a local plant shop, these are usually like $15, not cheap, but I figured this would be really sick. Like on the shelf, of course I'm gonna put like I said, a pot, this in a pot, but you get the look, right? Now at that same flea market, I picked something up here that is going with the theme that I'm going for in my bathroom. And I love white marble. White marble to me is just classic. It's clean, it's sophisticated. It's like a nice, like timeless look. So when I was on vacation this past year, I got these pictures that are Marie Antoinette inspired. And I was always obsessed with Marie Antoinette. There's something about like, not just the Victorian and early like French Parisian era that I love, but there's just, I don't know what it is about her. So I got this today, and this is, I think it's ceramic, but it's painted very beautifully. And I have a theme that I'm going for, which is why I mentioned the white marble. I'm going for like a white, like timeless look in my bathroom. And this right here, this piece, I'm going to possibly just do like the framework white because it's gonna be going with these. And I had these I picked up, like I said, over the summer. I just have not had the chance to decorate with them just yet, but they are like Marie Antoinette pictures. This is the one here where she's just like in a balloon, giving the birds cake. Let them eat cake, you know? But they're all so unique and beautiful, and I just want to showcase all of these. My goal is to paint all of the frame like white, or at least like a brushed white, give it like an aged look. These ones are already white, but as you can see, like the pictures are absolutely beautiful, and they're all like a different story. This one's my favorite one here, not just because it says let them eat cake, but I love this frame. Debating on painting this one or just leaving this one gold just because it's beautiful. I appreciate that. As you can see in the background, I have tons of like old frames. I collect them, and this one is a beauty. So I don't know about that one, but yeah, white is the goal, and I figured these are all gonna be beautiful together. So I'm kind of like, I'm getting the white vibe. My bathroom is already like a gray, and I figured just painting these frames white, including like this piece right here that I picked up today, it's gonna be like beautiful. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted about how everything turns out with this, but so far I'm loving the whole concept. It looks good in my head, so I'm hoping it just all like blends together well. So we will see about that. And while I was out, I also did pick up just basic white paint at 𝗏𝗟. 𝗏𝗟 is going out of business. I'm totally shook because like they've been around forever, but I got gray and white just to maybe do a marble effect on them. I don't know, we'll see. These are just by Craft Essentials. I never used paint from this brand before, so I'm hoping it's not shit. We will see about that. And that's pretty much it for my flea market finds. Shared my Starbucks gift that I got today. And the last thing I'm gonna share with you is something that I've been wanting for the longest time. I'm a plant lover, guys. So when I mentioned Home Depot and the pothos plant, I picked up something that I was not planning on picking up today or finding anytime soon. I got myself a Monstera plant, and I wanted one of these for such a long time. Every time I see these at a local plant shop, these Monstera plants, also known as like Swiss cheese plant? Swiss leaf? I don't know. One of those, but they go for like $50, $75, $100. This one's already starting to get the hole. As you can see, like the mature plants get like a little hole on them. Oh, I'm so in love, guys. This is beautiful, and this was only $19. So I could not say no to that, especially because it's something that I've been wanting for a while. But that is my haul, guys. This is a mess. I know this is so random, but I figured I got a lot of things here. Might as well share with you guys. Also share my concept on the whole like wall art that I'm looking to do with the Marie Antoinette inspired stuff. So kind of random, but I love home decor, and I know this channel is not about home decor. I'm trying to go for like a just men's lifestyle, my journey type vibe this year. I want to share as much things as I possibly can that are cool and entertaining, or things that I find to be interesting. And I love watching like renovating and repurposing type stuff. Flea market flip is one of my favorite things to like watch ever. So I'm gonna start sharing stuff like that, and hopefully you guys are into it. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Sound off in the comment section down below of what my favorite find is that I share with you. Also, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here if you'd like to give that a follow. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.